Hi lovely people, together with me Dimas Yunani at Kadut Aten channel. Today I will show you how to cook Manitaria Kalamaki or mushroom steak. We use 300 gram mushroom Pleurotus and mushroom moon, red pepari, 1 lemon, teriyaki sauce, oyster sauce, olive oil, hot pepari, 1 teaspoon, garlic, half teaspoon, and black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Lovely people, this is mushroom Pleurotus and this is mushroom moon. I cut like this and like this. For red pepper, I do like this, and now we give olive oil. Right? Black pepper, half teaspoon. I do marinade like this before I give olive oil, black pepper, half teaspoon. Now garlic, half teaspoon. Hot pepper, half teaspoon. Oyster sauce, two big spoon. Teriyaki sauce, one big spoon, and we mix and we leave it on 15 minutes. Okay, lovely people, you can see we do like this and we leave it in 15 minutes. We do the same with this mushroom, right? Black pepper, lovely, garlic, hot pepper, teriyaki sauce, oyster sauce, lovely, we give also salt, and here this is easy and healthy. After, we give also squeeze lemon, half only. The other half also. We mix. We do the same. We leave in 15 minutes. People, we do it like this. Okay, little people, I make steak already. We have 7 steak. We still have remaining from mushroom. Also, we need the sauce. The mushroom I put around Pyrex. Also here. Also, mushroom Pleurotusnya. Put around Pyrex. And we give the sauce. We put in oven in 15 minutes. We use grill. Lovely people, before I use this oven, we make hot first till 10 minutes, and we put in the mushroom in 15 minutes before we serve. Right, lovely people, Manitaria Kalamaki is ready. This is a lovely food. You can see. Yummy. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Koreksi, bon appetit. Selamat makan. Salam Indonesia.